Here is the rules. Number 9. Sometimes affirmative sentences are changed into negative by using opposite word. But before the word, of course, not is used. Look at the example. He is a good player. In negative, he is not a bad player. Here we use the opposite word bad instead of good. And before the word bad, we use not. The next one. Always replaced by never plus opposite word. Example, Maruf always attends the class. Maruf never misses the class. That means always replaced by never and then the opposite word misses instead of attends. The next one, to replaced by so that plus cannot oblique could not according to tense. Example, he is too weak to walk. In negative, he is so weak that he cannot walk. So here the first two replaced by so and the second two replaced by that, and then we use cannot because it is the present tense. Now rule 12. As replaced by not less than. Example, Shima was as wise as Ruma. Shima was not less wise than Ruma. So here the first as replaced by not less and the second as replaced by then. Number 13. Universal truth are changed by making them negative interrogative. Like, the sun sets in the west. Doesn't the sun set in the west? Here we use doesn't. That means negative interrogative. Number 14. Sometimes replaced by not plus always. For example, Priya sometimes visit me. Priya doesn't always visit me. That means sometimes replaced by always, and before always we use negative interrogative. Many replaced by not a few. For example, I have many friends. In negative, I have not a few friends. That means many replaced by not a few. The next one, a few replaced by not many. Bangladesh has a few scholars. Bangladesh doesn't have many scholars. That means we used many instead of a few, and then not. Here is the not become changed doesn't. A little replaced by not much. I have a little rice. I have not much rice. That means a little replaced by not much. Now the last one, 18. Much replaced by not a little. He has much money. He hasn't a little money. So here much replaced by a little money. So I hope you girls, you understand the rules. So girls, here we have done our transformation class affirmative to negative. We are gonna do vice versa. That means negative to affirmative. But one important thing, girls, you don't memorize the rules cause at a certain time you will forget that. So first you need to understand the rules and then remember by practicing more and more, because practice makes a man perfect. Now turn the page at 151, exercise noun B. Here 1 to 5 are done by me. Look at the example. Number 1, none but Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. That means none but replaced by only. Similarly, none but the fool will say so. Only the fool will say so. Never tell a lie. Always tell the truth. Here never replaced by the always and lie replaced by the opposite word, the truth. The next one, he was never late. He was always on time. Never replaced by always and late replaced by on time. That means we use opposite word here. You cannot help going there. You must go there. We know we cannot help replaced by the must. So guys, hope you understand the vice versa rules. They are similar, but you have to practice them more and more so that you can change any time anything. That means affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative.